Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watchingyou. Today, I'm going to draw and discuss the character Astro from the game Dandy's World. Astro, a whimsical character introduced on June 14, 2024, in Dandy's World, stands out with his enchanting design. He's a light blue crescent-shaped moon with a black left side of his face, adorned with a single white star eye. His appearance is completed by a cornflower blue blanket wrapped around his torso, which partially conceals his arms, leaving only faint furrows visible. Despite the blanket's coverage, it doesn't hide his legs, which match the moon-colored hue of his face. An indigo stripe encircles the blanket just above its edge, and Astro wears a charming sleeping cap that mirrors this stripe's color. The cap features a light blue trim and a matching pom-pom at its tip. During blackouts, Astro emits a soothing blue glow, enhancing his ethereal presence. As one of the 20 playable toons and one of the 5 main characters in Dandy's World, Astro is available for purchase in Dandy's store, inviting players to explore his unique charm and abilities. Astro stands out in Dandy's World as a character who excels in stealth and support. With his impressive stealth abilities, he can adeptly assist toons being pursued by Twisted, using his nap time to provide cover and then making a swift escape without risking much damage. His unique skill set allows him to regain stamina quickly with well-rested after an escape, or leverage his stealth to make other toons serve as distractions. Sometimes, they'll even do it willingly. However, Astro's effectiveness is tempered by his lower health and average stats across the board. Unlike other main characters, his stats are more balanced, which means he doesn't particularly shine in extraction or distraction but can perform reasonably in both areas. To maximize his potential, it's crucial to use his high stealth to avoid being targeted in the first place, minimize damage, and complete dangerous machines right under the noses of Twisted. If a Twisted is focused on other toons, it's unlikely to shift its attention to Astro unless he's the only target left. Additionally, his lower skill check stat means extraction might take a bit longer. For items, Astro's well-rested passive reduces the need for stamina boosts, so it's generally better to save those for teammates. Instead, focus on items that enhance mobility to prevent being caught off guard. If your team isn't handling machines, extraction items will be valuable. Healing items are useful, but with only 2 max health, it's wise to stick with bandages and leave health kits for teammates unless you're in dire need. Hope you liked this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Bye for now.